In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set printer as default on Windows 11. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you'll have one printer automatically selected whenever you print, which saves clicks and helps avoid sending documents to the wrong place. First, we'll open the Settings app from the Start menu. Click the Start button on your taskbar, then click Settings. This takes you into the main hub where all your Windows preferences live. If you don't see Settings right away, it's usually pinned on the left side of the Start menu, and you can also search for it by typing Settings after you open Start. Inside Settings, look to the left sidebar and click Bluetooth and Devices. This section is where Windows keeps all your connected hardware, from mice and keyboards to scanners and printers. Now click Printers and Scanners. You'll land on a page that lists every printer Windows recognizes on your device, along with options that control how they're used. Before choosing a default, there's an important switch to adjust. Find the option labeled "Let Windows Manage My Default Printer" and turn it off. When this feature is on, Windows automatically changes your default printer to the one you used most recently at your current location. That can be handy in some environments, but if you want to lock in a single default every time, turning this off gives you full control. With that setting disabled, look through the list of printers and click the one you want to make your default. You should recognize it by its name, which may include the model number or location, especially if it's a network printer. Clicking it opens a detail page for that device. On the printer's page, click Set as Default. After you do, Windows will mark that printer as your default choice. In many cases, you'll see a confirmation or a small label indicating it's now the default. From this point forward, most apps will automatically select this printer, so you won't need to pick it from a list each time. If the Set as Default button doesn't appear, check that the Let Windows Manage My Default Printer option is truly off. If the button is grayed out, the device may already be your default, or your organization may manage printer settings centrally. That's okay, you've still confirmed the setting. That's all it takes. You opened Settings, went to Bluetooth and Devices, chose Printers and Scanners, turned off Automatic Management, selected your printer, and set it as the default. Now your documents will reliably go where you expect, every time you hit Print.